I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post multiple photos in one thread on your Threads app. So first we'll open up our Threads app, and we'll click the plus button on the bottom to basically open up a new thread. And here was a test one that I had created previously, but here's what a new thread will look like. We'll click on the icon that looks like a landscape photo next to where it says GIF right there, somewhat in the middle of the screen, so right there. And here you can select a photo or a video. And I'm going to select this video from a screen recording from a video I previously did. But to basically do multiple videos or photos on a post, you will just select those on your basically list of images and videos here. Now that you have your item selected, you'll click the blue check mark on the top right. And now you see you have your post, and you can swipe across to see all of the images or videos that you have selected. When you type in whatever you want and you're ready to go, you'll click the white post logo right there on the right hand side, and then you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.